Our dearest West Indies have bowed to another ODI series sweep, this time against a second string India. And as bad as the West Indies have been, generally, they're worse in a ODI cricket. And just thinking about this latest defeat, you know what's said? The real victim of the T20 revolution is ODI cricket and not Test cricket. Test cricket is still actually hanging on for dear life. Even in the West Indies, the Test team is improving and playing better and more intelligent cricket. The crowds in the region are not yet back, but put it this way, West Indies just got swept in this Indian series and nobody no care. If this was a Test series, more people would be in tune and interested and embarrassed. Yes, yes. Look at what the New England captain Ben Stokes just did. The man retired from ODI cricket, but still plays T20 and obviously Test cricket. What Ben Stokes just did will be the model for the modern cricketer going forward. Retire from ODI, play a little Test cricket while prioritizing T20 cricket. And that basically means curtains for ODI cricket.